This summer, keep your BMW running smoothly with BMW of Bridgewater's exclusive complimentary summer maintenance clinic. From now through July 31st, 2024, take advantage of our maintenance service to ensure your BMW is ready for all your summer adventures. Our expert technicians will conduct a thorough multi-point inspection. We'll assess your battery's health, inspect your brakes for optimal performance, and ensure your tires are properly inflated for a smooth drive. Plus, we're gonna top off all your fluids to keep your BMW running at its best.
The peace of mind I get from knowing my BMW has been thoroughly inspected is priceless.
I appreciate the attention to detail and expertise of the BMW technicians. It's why I trust BMW of Bridgewater with my car every time.
Don't wait! Schedule your appointment today at BMW of Bridgewater and experience the ultimate in BMW service and care. So give us a call at 908-287-1800, or you could click the link below to schedule your appointment today. And don't forget to like and subscribe.